Hey guys, this is Dipali Verma. I hope you all are doing well. अगर आपको सीखना है ये आई मेकअप look, this colorful eye makeup look, so you have to do one thing only: subscribe my channel and wait for only one day, and then I will be uploading this tutorial if I get minimum 100 subscribers. So you can see how pretty these eyes are looking. Wow. And it was really very nice experience to work on my hand, and you can see how pretty these eyes are looking with these purple, pink, yellow and glitter. And my face was not well, so I thought to make it on my hand only, not on my eyes. So yeah, if you want to learn these eyes, then please subscribe my channel and wait for only one day. I'll be uploading it soon. I just want to thank my mom for this, just for making me so creative. Nice na? Bye, love you.